Here's a good GMAT quant question. In a bag of 20 jelly beans, 3 are licorice flavored. Barf. If I eat 4 beans at random, what is the probability that I will eat exactly 1 licorice flavored bean? Well, it's helpful on these kind of problems to draw out all of the possibilities. So how could it happen that I would eat exactly 1 licorice flavored bean if I'm drawing 4? I could pick a licorice flavor on the first pick, the first bean that I eat, and then pick 3 non-licorice beans. So L, N, N, N. Or I could pick a non-licorice bean and then a licorice one and then non-non. That's exactly 1 licorice. Or non-non-licorice non, or non-non-non, and then licorice. Well, let's calculate the probability of this particular event happening. And then we can calculate the probability of these other ones and add them up and figure out the total probability. What's the probability of drawing a licorice on my first go? Well, there are 20 jelly beans total, right? 3 of them are licorice, so that's just going to be 3 out of 20. And then I want to draw a non-licorice jelly bean. Now, I have 19 jelly beans left because I already drew a licorice one, right? And 17 non-licorice beans to choose from. And then the probability of this next one here is going to be 16 out of 18 because, again, I've just drawn another jelly bean. And then 15 out of 17. And these numbers actually cancel out pretty nice and quickly, right? 17 cancels out with 17. 3 cancels out with 18. I'm left with a 6 down there. 15 I can divide by 5 to get 3 there and divide 20 there and get a 4. 4 cancels out with one of the 4s in 16. And so what do I get? I can still cancel. The 3 cancels out with the 6, so I have a 2 down there. The 4 cancels out with the 2, so I'm left with a 2 up here out of 19. So the probability of this happening is 2 out of 19. But what I quickly realized, if I started to do all these other ones, is that the numbers are exactly the same. I'm just multiplying them in a different order. So the probability of each of these events is 2 out of 19. And so I can add them all up and find that the total probability of picking exactly 1 bean is 8 out of 19. For more GRE tips and tricks or to sign up for my live online course, follow the link on my profile.